Hi, I'm Mike Jackofsky. I'm a professional woodturner from the San Diego area, and I'm here at Craft Supplies in Provo to do a little demonstration for you on my new hollowing tool system. And I'd like to show you a few examples of the type of work that I do so you can understand basically how the tools work and why I develop my own tools. This is an example of a maple burl hollow form with a natural edge, probably about 1/8 of an inch thick. And this was made with my larger set of tools. I'll be showing you I have two different sizes of tools, but this was made with the larger set. This is another example of a maple burl piece, natural edge piece, and this one is basically showing you about what the largest piece you could make with the smaller set of tools. The third piece that I wanted to show you is something I also made with the small set, and this is a piece of really beautiful measure birch from Finland. Probably one of my favorite woods. Over the years that I've been turning, I've pretty much tried everybody's hollowing tools, and I found that I was doing a lot of modifications to them in order to do the type of work that I just showed you. And what I want to show you is I've got 4 tools in the whole system. I've got a large straight tool that does most of the work when you're doing a big hollow form, and also a large bent tool that's used to reach around the corner to do the bigger pieces. I also have 2 smaller tools that'll probably go up to about an 8-inch diameter piece, so there's 1 straight tool and 1 bent tool for each of the systems. One of the things I've learned over the years in doing hollow forms is that having a swivel tip enables me to get to different places in the hollow form, and also enables me to get a lot cleaner cuts because I'm able to move this tip around and get a much better angle to make a cut. Using these nano carbide cutters, these last a very, very long time and also produce a really good finish on the inside of the hollow forms and eliminate a lot of the sanding that I used to have to do. One of the unique features of this tool is that I've built a negative angle into the tip, and I've also utilized square material to make the tool. What this means is that when you hold this tool in a horizontal position, the cutter tip is automatically placed in the correct negative angle. All 4 of these tools are also designed to accept any standard scraper that's 3/16 thick, and I prefer that for my final finish cuts. The other thing is that all 4 of these tools are designed to fit into any standard handle with a 5/8 inch opening. In order to show how these tools work, what I've done is I've mounted an open bowl in this chuck, and that will enable you to see the cutting action of the tool. This is also how I teach my classes because I think it's really a good way to do it where you can actually watch what you're doing rather than practice inside of a hollow form. One of the most important things to me in hollowing is standing in a nice, relaxed, comfortable position. And you'll notice that I have my hand up underneath and I'm grabbing the tool like this and I'm holding it against my body with my elbow. This is the 5/8 inch straight tool with the number 2 cutter on it. And I'm going to show you how quickly and efficiently this will remove a lot of wood. One of the most important things in designing a bent tool is to be sure that the cutter tip is in line with the straight part of the shaft. And in order to make this function properly, you want to be sure that the straight part is on the tool rest rather than the bent part, because that will cause it to roll over and give you a catch. Obviously on this open bowl I could do the whole thing with the straight tool, but I want to demonstrate how the large bent tool works. And what I have is the number 1 cutter tip mounted in this tool.